is a providential gift which either he gives it to you or nobody else can give it to you. There's no other way to have it. Money cannot buy a today in your life. A man who all his life saved his money, and right now he was having 50 crores of saving with him, decided now I'm going to enjoy my life. And the day he decided now I'm going to enjoy my life and use this 50 crores, somebody was standing in front of him. He asked, who are you? You have come without my permission. And he said, my name is Death. I only show up to people to whom I have come. He said, this is not fair. When are you planning to take me? He said, right now. No, just now I counted. I have 50 crores with me. And only now I have decided to enjoy it. You cannot come. Death said, but I don't come with invitation. I come and invite. You have to come. Man said, see, please, if you want, you take 25 crores. Give me at least 1 month of life. I will enjoy the remaining 25 crores and then come. Look at the mentality of man. Even on the threshold of death, he is willing to give only 25 crores, not pura 50 crores. So I'll give you 25 crores. Negotiation. Death said, I don't think you understand how I operate. I don't negotiate. Your time has come, I have to take. Man says, I will give you entire 50 crores here. Just give me 1 day in life. Death said, I can't give you another moment in life. Man pleaded, at least give me 1 moment in life. Death yielded, said, okay, whatever you want to do, do it for 1 moment. He ran to his scribbling pad and wrote there in the scribbling pad, all of you have money, immediately start enjoying it. And then he added a note. I just now realized, even with 50 crores, I could not buy 1 minute of life with it. If he doesn't give it, you don't have it. Then how should this today be received? With frustration, with negative thoughts, with anger, shouting at people, making an issue for small things. Should there not be peace in the house in the morning? Should not the fragrance of a morning in a home be one of gratitude? Should it not be one of bhakti and devotion? There is no point in some corner, a tape recorder going on singing Hara Hara Shankara, Jaya Jaya Shankara, Om Namo Narayana, and in between in the front of the house, ban, chew, and all these words are being talked here. Everybody shouting at everybody, Kutte, come in, and this is what is being discussed there. What is the point in having that background? Just imagine me having that serene looking around either side and me going on delivering my speech like this here. Who cares to see that? Background makes sense if only if the foreground is right. So all the chanting and puja room and everything in the background of your house makes any sense only if you in the foreground is able to carry that peace.